The SUNALLY room divider curtain rod creates a sturdy floor-to-ceiling partition without drilling, so walls and ceilings stay intact in rentals or finished spaces. Its tension design adjusts from roughly 4 to 10 feet in height and about 28 to 70 inches in width, giving plenty of flexibility for different rooms and layouts. The stainless steel construction feels solid and resists rust, and it comfortably supports heavier fabrics like blackout curtains as well as lighter sheers. Installation is straightforward because no tools are needed, and the whole frame can be taken down in minutes when you want to reconfigure or move it. The modular rods and spring buckles make it easy to fine-tune the fit, so the divider stays stable on surfaces ranging from tile and wood floors to textured ceilings. You can run it in a straight line to break up a large area or arrange it in an L shape to carve out a private corner for sleeping, working, or storage.